What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Brap Daddy. Today we are finally going to be installing a new J&L oil separator. All right, guys, so we are at a whopping 735.6 miles. So it's almost time to trade this thing in already, as it's getting pretty old. But until then, we're going to install our new oil separator, oil catch can, whatever you like to call it. So I went with the J&L, got it on sale for 4th of July. So a quick unboxing. You have a nice sticker they give you there, some mileage stickers there. You have the black anodized can. You can also get it in silver. I went with the black, keep it a little more sleek under the hood. And then you have your two hoses, which are already fully assembled and mounted onto the separator with the new ends here. So the only thing you have to mount is the black bracket here with the two supplied screws, which will go right on top of there. Under the hood, you're going to remove your PVC hose. Did I just say PVC? PCV. Oh my Jesus, I've been doing too much stuff on the house. PCV hose from here and here. You just push back on this blue clip while lifting up. We'll pop this off and we'll slide this new one on. So without further ado, let's get this removed. Let's get the J&L oil separator built and let's get it put on. All right, so next up, we're going to take the bracket out. You have here and the two supplied Phillips head screws. And you're going to mount this up just like so. You see the words here are going to mount just the same way on top of the can. So it'll be just like that. Take these two screws. All right, once those are snug, now we're going to get a 13mm socket. And we're going to take this bolt off here for the battery tie down so that we can slide the bracket on it. Now we're going to slide the oil separator right onto that post. Like so. And then put that nut washer right back on. And we're just going to snug it. We don't want to make it fully tight yet because we want to be able to move the hoses and adjust them where we like it. So we're just going to make it snug, but still have some play. All right. So now we can still move it a little bit. Now we got to route the hoses. Once we have the can mounted, now we have these two hoses. You have the long hose here, which goes to the PCV side, and you have the little bit shorter hose, which goes to the manifold side. Now, these ends can rotate if you need to, so don't twist the whole hose. You can actually just move the end wherever you need it to line up. And how I'm going to do it is go under this charge pipe, under this hose here. I'm gonna pull it through. Give a good rotation there, and boom, she clips right on. So now we still have some clearance for the oil filter service here, and if need be, you can always just pop it off. And I believe you just push in on this, and just like that, so it won't even be in the way. So that's all it takes. You just push it on that green tab, but like I said, rotate the end a little bit so that it's nice and straight and there's no kink in the hose. So we got that side on. Now for this side, we're gonna run it next to it again. Let's see if this will fit, if we can go right next to that one. We'll give this a little bit of a rotation. Boom, just like that. So now, she's all set. They're both clipped on there nice. You can see. And now we'll just tighten the can so that it doesn't rotate anymore. There you go. We're all set. Can is mounted, nice and snug. All the lines are plugged in. No play in them. We'll start it up, make sure that there's no leaks, no check engine lights, and we're back on the road. So thanks for checking out this video. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out my other builds, the 04 Cobra 68 Fastback. and stay tuned for more Raptor content.